If you need to request a refund from Chime, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding the transaction you want to dispute. This includes the date, amount, merchant name, and any receipts or confirmation emails. Step 2. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime mobile app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 3. Locate the transaction. Navigate to your transaction history and find the specific transaction for which you are seeking a refund. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate the refund process. Look for an option to dispute or request a refund. Follow the prompts provided in the app to submit your request, ensuring you provide all necessary information. Step 5. Monitor your requests. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email and the Chime app for updates. Chime will notify you of the status of your request and any further actions needed. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to resolving your refund request with Chime.